Global markets, including Indian capital market, have been on a massive rally. This rally was predominantly started with the US Fed announcing that there will be rate cuts in the next calendar year. Also, the Fed chair announced that the fear around recession is to a great extent unfounded and a soft landing of the US economy is expected. Now, this was music to the ears of FIIs and market participants world over, including in US. The massive rally in US post the US Fed announcement was kind of appreciated and taken forward by emerging markets, including India. Now, as far as India is concerned, it's a confluence of good news and positive factors leading to a Goldilocks scenario. We have a fantastic opportunity of attracting more and more investments in the near future from FIIs, both long-term as well as structural ones. Even short-term FIIs should come to India. We expect a flood of FII money coming into the Indian markets over the next 6 to 12 months. Just to put it in perspective, the total FII investment in China till date is close to $3.5 trillion. If you compare that with their investment in India till date, it's about $0.6 trillion. Now, assuming even $1 trillion moves out of China and 50-60% of that comes to India, I think we'll be doubling the FII investment in Indian market, and that should lead to a massive rally in Indian stocks. While the FII money will keep coming, we should not forget the domestic investors. On a monthly basis, an incremental SIP of close to $2 billion is coming. And out of that, at least 60-70% of that money is flowing into equity markets. Now, all this does, a massive positive for the Indian markets and the flows. We also have the state elections, which were decisively decided by the public in those states, and that led to a belief that 2024 general elections will also ensure stability. Now, this again was a great news for investors who prefer stability. We also have a scenario where Indian macro factors do look good also on the back of the fact that oil prices have come under control and it's hovering in the range of $75 to $80 per barrel of Brent. Now, this is a fantastic news for Indian economy as well as Indian markets. This confluence of factors are definitely helping Indian markets. Corporate performance also has been decent. We are seeing a lot of initiatives by government in multiple areas. Private capex is starting to come. The monsoon deficit probably has got covered later part of the monsoon season, and we are expecting a good agricultural crop in the next season. With all these factors, I think Indian markets will continue to have a positive bias clearly in the medium to long term. Short-term fluctuations, short-term volatility will be there. There will be profit booking and consolidation at some level, but that should be good for the healthy development of the market. We still believe there is significant scope in large cap universe on the back of FIIs bringing in a lot of liquidity in the market. FIIs will probably move into large caps, and large caps are even now relatively attractively priced. So we will definitely see a lot of excitement in counters like Reliance, the major cement companies, the major construction companies like Larsen and Toubro. We also will see some money moving into technology. US recession being a thing of the past and not happening, definitely a great news for IT companies. And we saw IT companies starting to rally. Definitely, we will see IT companies attracting some FII money as well in the near future. Overall, we maintain our positive bias in the market and recommend investors to keep investing in Indian market for a medium to long-term view. Thank you.